looks really good. Hey everyone, Cyrus back with another video, and today we have my friend Jonathan. He goes by Joe as well, right? Yeah. Alright, so he's the owner of Joe Auto Spa. As you guys saw the car earlier, it came out looking great, and I just wanted to take the time and tell you guys a little bit about Joe, a little bit about the things he does, how you can get in contact with him, and all that sort of stuff. So pretty much just tell me a little bit about yourself and your
Yeah, so Joe Auto Spa is an initiative that started when I was overseas. Mm-hmm. I like detailing and I always like to keep my cars clean and all that. So I wanted to do like for older people. So I started like, you know, washing cars here and there. I started learning how to ceramic coat, how to paint correction and all that. I took 2 courses of paint correction actually. And then I started buying equipment slowly. I prepped the garage, as you can see, cabinets, flooring and all that. And then, you know, upon my return of being overseas, I started this business as a side job on the weekends. You know, we will do anything from a basic wash all the way to a ceramic coating, or even a paint correction and a sealant, whatever you need done, headlight restoration, all that kind of stuff. So I hope you guys see his car, how it came out. It actually came out really good.
Yeah, really good.
I'm loving it too. I also have a Type R, so that's how I met him, looking on YouTube.
No, it's clean too. His Type R is really clean. Show you that in a second as well.
Yep. So both of my cars are actually ceramic coated.
Mm-hmm.
The SUV is C-Course 3.0 UK, and then my car actually I partnered up with IGL Coatings not too long ago to be able to offer something different other than just regular ceramic coatings. You know, something that is more exclusive for the business side. So my car is actually coated on IGL Eco Code Quartz Plus. Yes. So that's the 36-month warranty on it. Obviously, you need to have the maintenance washes and all that, you know, maintain it properly to be able to last that long. If not, it's just, you know, gonna degrade the coating before the time. And other than that, yeah, that's all we do here, detailing and, you know, take care of people's car and make it look brand new.
Yeah, they do a hell of a good job doing it too. You said this takes like certification too, right? Like,
yeah, so basically when I partnered up with IGL Coatings, their certifications at the time, it was just showing them my work in the process. So they will let me buy the coatings. I actually coated my car and paint corrected it. I sent them all the pictures and all that. That started the first part of it. So they started letting me buy more coatings from them. Mm-hmm. You don't actually have to buy a certain amount of money like Ceramic Pro does. You just buy it as you use it. So. But because I wanted to offer a different service and not offer people like asking for deposit before I finish the work, I actually went ahead and bought a stock. So all the ceramics, I got them in stock, and every time I use a kit, I replace it with a new one. So that way I keep continuing the inventory, and I don't have to ask people for a deposit. Because some people will feel like, you know, I'm working out of my garage. Some people will feel like I'm not serious about it or something like that. And, you know, not a lot of people will give you $300-400 for a deposit and just forget about it until next month that I actually give the appointment. So that's why I want to keep the stuff here. When they make the appointment, that's your date, unless I have some other stuff going on from work that you know prohibits me to finish the work. Then that appointment actually takes place on that day, and it lasts for however many days I gotta take on it. Usually full ceramic coating with paint correction will be anywhere from 2 to 3 days, depending on the work, depending on the weather as well.
Yeah, exactly. Like, so it took, I would say, 20 hours of man hours, right?
Hours.
Yeah, and he did a really good job. One thing I could say, he's super passionate about this. Super passionate. Like, he loves doing this, and we were talking about that a little bit earlier. And I don't know, like you were saying earlier, you started this as just a hobby, and you turned it into a full-blown business. And yeah, you're doing a great job doing it. Can you show them a little bit about the products you're using?
So here, I got a little bit of a mess here, so I've been working all weekend. But with his car, I actually started working with these line of polishes, the Sonax Profiline, which actually is the best product I've tried so far as polishing and compounding. Then I got all the lineup for maintenance on the IGL, Eco Code, Eco Shine, and Eco Clean.
You can say hi.
If you guys are interested in any of these products, I actually can sell these to the people. The most expensive one will be the Premier, which is a silica spray sealant. On all the ceramic coatings, I try to do the first maintenance wash and use this as a topper. That way I can make it last, you know, I can protect that coating a little bit more, a little bit further. I don't like to do that silica spray as soon as I coat it, because I like to give the time for it to properly cure. So I rather just go ahead and do the first wash, make sure it's taken care of, and then do the silica spray sealant on the paint.
Nice.
And that's pretty much it. I mean, I have a couple customers who I'm shipping products to them, and that's why I don't have all the lineup here. But I have pretty much the majority of the lineup, like the enhancer, which is a hybrid quick detailer for ceramic coatings. I got the interior cleaners, I got the paint, Eco Shine paint, which is a waterless wash and wax. Not everybody likes to do that. They work really great. Like, it takes care of your paint really good and take everything out of the paint. If it's excessively dirty, you might want to actually wash it, but it works really good with like dust and stuff. And then the new addition from Eco Shine will be the Renew F4, which is a graphene infused paint refresher. This will be a one-step polisher. It's mainly a paint enhancer. It'll give you shine and protection in one single step. So my way to use it will be Eco Shine Renew and top it off with Premier 48 hours later.
Got you.
And that will give you about 90, depending on the condition of the paint initially, you can get to like a 98 gloss units on the paint.
All right, well, Joe, the knowledge is there. It's obvious. You know exactly what you're doing. I can tell you from firsthand experience, I know that you know what you're doing. And like, seriously guys, like if you're in the Killeen area, you should definitely hit this man up for a detail. I've already been recommending him to some friends. Hopefully they come through and like actually bring their car here. Like, this man literally is passionate about his work, and I just want to say I appreciate you so far from what you've done. I'm gonna bring it back here eventually, and he's gonna like what did you say you're gonna do for the
just the first maintenance wash and the coat with Premier.
Got you. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you hit his I'm gonna have his like number in the bottom in the description, everything you can possibly need to get in contact with him. So stay tuned for that, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. It looks really good. It looks really good. Looks really good in the sun.